Chisel. A chisel is a tool that has a long metal blade with a sharp edge at the end. It is a hand cutting tool used by fitters for chipping and cutting off operations. Chipping is an operation of removing excess metal with the help of a chisel and hammer. Chipped surfaces, being rough, should be finished by filing. Parts of a chisel. The topmost part of a chisel is called the head. It is a bit sunk in the middle so that the hammer's blow strikes at the center of the chisel. That part of a chisel is called the body of stock from which we hold it. It is made of 4, 6 or 8 sides to make it easy to maintain a steady position. That part of the chisel that performs the function of cutting is called the cutting edge. Chisels are made from high carbon steel or chrome vanadium steel. The cutting edge is hardened and tempered. Common types of chisels. There are 5 common types of chisels: flat chisel, cross-cut chisel, half-round nose chisel, diamond point chisel, web chisel. A flat chisel removes metal from large flat surfaces and chips off the excess metal of welded joints and castings. The edge of this chisel is in a V shape and is flat, raised from the center. A cross-cut chisel is used for cutting keyways, grooves and slots. The part behind its edge is comparatively thin to ensure that the chisel does not stick into the grooves and slots while using. Half-round nose chisel. Half-round nose chisel has a round edge on one side. The rounded edge allows them to cut grooves with round bottoms, which helps to cut curved grooves. Diamond point chisels. This is made of good quality steel. Its shape is square and it is tapered. Its edge is pointed in the form of a diamond. These are used for squaring materials at the corners joints. Web chisels or punching chisels. These chisels are used for separating metals from chain drilling. Chisels are specified according to their length, width of the cutting edge, type, and cross section of the body. Thank you.